Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here out of Colorado. Just want to show you something. So we got this ceramic blade right here. One thing with ceramics, they stay cooler out here, but what happens is a lot of the heat gets transferred through the ceramic piece right to the blade guide. You guys can see how melted that blade guide is. It's completely broken. So the way to avoid that, I mean, it's fried. You could see the metal through it. Like, that's all. Oh wow, that feels crazy too. Feels like melted plastic. Oil in here, in this crease here. I'm thinking you could also maybe use a dab of grease. I've never tried it, but it might work to you know, it's a little thicker than oil, so maybe just a little bit of grease in there too, just to keep it cooler. Less friction, less heat, you won't get that. Hope that helps some of you with the ceramic blades. Have a good day.